เป็นได้นะ
Is it my jacket? Is it because of this jacket? Here.
Told you to go wear
Rub
that
on my hand.
kitchen mitten.
Why do you keep biting my hand? Is it because of this jacket? Is that why? Is it because of this? Alright, let's keep going. Why are you so aggressive? Hey, a little too hard.
Someone want to pray.
A little too hard. What? Is it because of this jacket? He was like this when he came downstairs. Why are you so aggressive? Are you hyper? Is that why? Hey, I told you, not too hard, not too hard.
Come here, puppy.
Not too hard,
Hey.
okay? Okay?
Come here. Hey, come here. Get over here. Get over here. Pray nice. Pray nice.
Yeah, he stopped when I told him not too hard.